When Jenny was hired as an engineering intern at her dream company, she was ecstatic. However, on her first day, her excitement soon turned into dismay. She was the only woman on the team, and her male colleagues frequently made insensitive comments and excluded her from important meetings and projects. Despite excelling in her studies, Jenny felt like she didn't belong and that her ideas were not valued simply because of her gender. Jenny's experience highlights why International Parity at Work Day on January 11th is so important. Established in 2017, it aims to raise awareness about the gender inequalities that still exist in many workplaces and promote equitable practices that allow people of all genders to thrive professionally. While much progress has been made towards gender equality in the workforce, studies show that issues like gender pay gap, lack of work-time balance, and the disproportionate burden of caregiving responsibilities still impact women's career experiences and progression. Throughout history, many women have had to fight discrimination and bias to gain a foothold in male-dominated fields. In 1847, Elizabeth Blackwell became the first woman to receive a medical degree, but faced hostility from her male peers. Marie Curie won 2 Nobel Prizes in physics and chemistry, but was often overlooked for her achievements in favor of her husband Pierre. Today, the percentage of women in STEM careers still remains low, demonstrating that more work needs to be done to make these spaces inclusive. On International Parity at Work Day, communities and organizations come together to raise awareness for this important issue. Social media campaigns are launched highlighting statistics on the gender pay gap and stories of women overcoming discrimination in their careers. Mentorship programs are organized to support women in male-dominated industries. Workplaces reevaluate their policies and practices to make sure people of all genders have equal opportunities to contribute and advance. Conferences and panel discussions are held on strategies for achieving and promoting gender parity in the workforce. While Jenny experienced difficulties as an intern, she persevered and was eventually hired on as an engineer at the company after showcasing her talent and determination. However, she made a point of advocating for policy changes that would make the work culture more equitable and supportive of women going forward. International Parity at Work Day serves as an call to action to make workplaces like Jenny's, where people are judged based on their skills and competence alone, regardless of gender or background. Positive progress continues to be made each year, one policy and one changed mindset at a time. International Parity at Work Day is on January 11. Here is our painting with all your posters for this special day, and have a wonderful International Parity at Work Day. Cheers!